Alright guys, David Stone's got a mystery box up right here. Let's go down here and get our list. There we are. Nope, that's not it. That one right here. 1 through 40. And 223, 4 pages of proof. There's one. All right, let's go get random. There's a green lock. It's secure. It's not blurry this time, for Christ's sakes. And 1 through 40. All right, good luck. 35. 35 is your winner. All right, 224. 35 is going to be Michael Clevenger. Congratulations, Michael. Sweet mystery box coming your way. Davids are always stuffed. And 224. Thanks, everyone.